How are you doing?
4, thank you.
Which, oh, 4? Okay.
Yeah.
Just taking a ride. I'm a big elevator fan.
Oh, okay. Have a good one.
Thanks, you too. This is the elevator here at the Hawaiian Inn in Daytona Beach, Florida. Got some vintage Otis elevators with GAL fixtures. They probably used to have black buttons, but I think they're modded now. See, GAL fixtures. They look kind of old, so I don't know if they're original or modded. You have an ADA phone there. And rather small cabs, if you ask me. On 4. Here's a lookout. 4, call station. Lantern lights up, and there's your Otis interlock. And looks like really like old-fashioned Otis store equipment. So if they are modded at all, they're mostly original. Let's go to 1. Chime is added, obviously, assuming the controller is original, but I don't know. Actually, I don't know if the controller is original or replaced. It's probably replaced. I'm gonna get out all 4. On 4. And I'll get off here. And anyways, there it goes. And that's gonna be it.